for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. A couple of weeks ago, or several weeks ago, I'm not exactly sure, we reviewed this Firefly FFLG SG copy, and on the day that we reviewed it, we had some problems, mainly that the action was really high, and Leo gave it a truss rod adjustment, and after the adjustment we had some cracking on the back of the neck of the guitar. So we took this guitar to a local luthier, Guitar Techs, very nice shop here in San Antonio, and they verified that the cracking was just finish cracking. There was no actual wood cracking, and so that's all that we needed to do with it. In the meantime, Firefly, admittedly after some back and forth between Leo and the Firefly people, sent him this replacement guitar, to which Leo then added the Epiphone Probucker pickup set. So these are the original pickups, the one I'm going to be playing now, and then we're going to try this one. We're going to try them both on the same track to try to be fair. The main difference is that the Probuckers have some push-pull pots that will let you have in and out of phase and single coil. And so for the first couple of minutes of the track, I'm going to try to play just the first, the three regular pickups. When I do the one with the Probucker system, after that I'll go ahead and do the other kinds of sounds. So we want to try to be as fair as we can. We've already tried to play this track once, and this is the Elevated Jam Tracks Hopeful Rock Ballad Guitar track. It says in F, but it's either in B flat or G minor, really, in terms of what scale you play. Because I tried to play it in F, and that sounded not very good, and that's not generally a problem I have. But a minute or so of actually playing to the track and figured it out. So without further ado, here is the original Firefly FFLG SG copy in the beautiful burl finish. And so here we go. original one with the original set of pickups. And we're going to stop now so I can make sure this one's in tune. And then we'll play a little bit on the replacement one with the Epiphone Probuckers, and we'll be right back. Thanks. Hey folks, Dan Ryan again. Today we're doing a comparison between this original Firefly FFLG SG copy. Too many
numbers and letters.
Yes.
A whole alphabet.
I'm sorry. Anyway, this is the original one. We had some problems with it. We already enumerated that at the beginning of this video. This is the replacement one, to which Leo added these Epiphone Probucker pickups. And so we're just basically doing a comparison between the two. This one only has 3 pickup settings: neck, middle, and both, and bridge. I'm sorry, neck, both, and bridge. This one, because it's got the Probuckers, has 2 push-pull pots. So as we go through this, there'll be more tones available for this one. But we're doing the same track 2 times, which is to reiterate the Hopeful Rock Ballad Guitar track in F, kind of an F, it's F Dorian really, by Elevated Jam Tracks. So I guess without further ado, because that was way more than enough ado already, here we go. Okay, so that's the one with the Probuckers on it. They both play pretty well, but I gotta say, I think this one plays slightly better, especially up the neck. The strings just tend to keep ringing. That doesn't really have too much to do with the pickups, I don't think, but excuse me, maybe a little bit. Here, let me turn this down.
You got the coof.
Yeah. It's because I'm a pilot.
Inside joke there.
Kind of inhaled something I should have exhaled, I guess. Right. Anyway, if I had to pick one of these, this would be it. The Probuckers just have, to me, a much more musical sound. And the fact that you can get some extra tones out of it is an added bonus. Both of them are quite playable, and both of them sounded pretty good. You know, you can make your own evaluation about that. Played the same tune with the same guitar from the exact same spot, so I don't really have much more to say about it. This one, in terms of, it looks like it came pretty well finished, and obviously the pickups have been switched out, and
you certainly don't want to look inside the cabinet. It's like, my soldering capabilities are quite terrible.
Oh, okay. Well,
terrifying, actually. I'm surprised you're not sitting there just frying.
Well, I'm wondering, looks like one of these pickups is reversed. But
no, that's the way they're supposed to be.
Okay.
If you look at the
diagram?
No, if you look at the screws, which is where the pole pieces are in the pickup.
Oh, yeah, well, they're the same as this. So that's
right, they're all, if you look at any of them up there, they're all like that. Okay,
well, because you get the most distance between
the
pickup elements. Anyway, Lou did a really good job getting this one into playable shape. It's way, way better than it was when we first reviewed it. And if it had come like this, it probably would have gotten a much better review. This one, he's obviously done some work, like I said, replacing the pickups. It plays fine. I don't know if you had to do any work on the action.
A little. I mean, I just eyeballed it. I really didn't measure anything.
Okay.
On either one of them, actually.
Well, this one, I think probably because there's some kind of little hump in the neck or something, which is why you had to do the truss rod adjustment. This one, the neck seems much more even, and the strings up here at the top just ring beautifully. But neither one of them sucks. So at this point, they're both good and playable guitars. So there you go. With the Probuckers and with the original Firefly pickups. And we want to thank you for tuning in. Hope you'll like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be reminded of our future videos. I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan's behind the camera, where he belongs. And with that, we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.